Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi A6 gas tank. Begin by unlocking the car with the key fob and standing at the rear passenger side. Gently press the fuel door edge to check for spring action and listen for a click. If the door is stiff, inspect for ice or debris, then clear or thaw carefully. Use gloved hands to avoid scratches and repeat unlocking if needed. In this video, I will show how to open Audi A6 gas tank. First, check the driver's side footwell or door panel for a release lever or button. If your car uses an electronic release, try the infotainment quick access menu or the dash fuel door button. For stubborn situations, fold the rear seat to reach the manual cable emergency release behind the wheel well. Operate gently to avoid cable damage and test the latch afterwards. In this video, I will show how to open Audi A6 gas tank. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long drives or while troubleshooting your car, and it fits most cup holders. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a reliable bottle on the road. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Audi A6 gas tank. If the latch is stuck, spray a small amount of silicone lubricant on the hinge and work the door gently. For frozen doors, warm the area with a hair dryer or warm water to melt ice safely. Never yank the release cable hard, and avoid metal prying tools that can bend the door. After freeing the door, operate it several times to confirm smooth movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.